Hi everybody, and hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, and of course this is a Happy New Year weekend. But what I wanted to do is tell you what my next big project is, since they take a long time. But anyway, we're going to walk over to the other side of the layout, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, my last big one was right here in front of you. I did this refinery area. Did this scenery over here, and I'll continue that eventually. I did break a turnout over there that I just got done replacing. Haven't done track in so long, I couldn't even find the tools. But anyway, the refinery, of course, ends where these pipes come down into this thing that I kind of created there. This loading area, of course, the truck loading area is already done. And that's my own design, and since they don't make them in N scale. But this area here where the tank cars get loaded, I had started kind of a scratch build with some 3D printed parts. God, must have been 7-8 years ago. And I just don't like it. So I'm going to replace this with my own design. And some of you may have seen it. I did it for BNSF 6951. Back, I think it was in the spring I did that. And what I'm going to try to do at the same time is do the scenery about up to this area over here. Maybe not up here in the passenger area. That may be left till later. But and then on the other side also, I'll probably continue that over there. But I want to do this area in here and get this kind of completed. So that's going to be a big project. I'm printing all the parts, and I'll show you my design in this video, a couple of still pictures of it. But takes a lot. There's, I think, 80 nozzles that have to be printed, and I'm doing some for a friend of mine as well. But anyway, that's the next big project. Here are some of the parts being printed, or that I have printed. These in the front are for a friend of mine. That's his stuff here, and these are some of the pipes. And then there's the supports, and then this over here is for the tanker trucks. The regular trucks, but anyway, these are mine here in the front, but this is kind of what they look like. But anyway, I hope everybody has a nice new year, and I do appreciate everyone who watches my videos, comments, and all my subscribers. So we'll see you the next time I got something to show you.